So
I don't know. One of the things online said it wasn't coming till September.
it said 8/20.
Okay.
That is
Today.
today.
She's not here right now, but happy 5 months, little baby girl. I'm gonna insert some pictures at the end because we did a little photo shoot for her 5-month update. So this is the reason why I'm not getting ready for Halloween yet, is because Back to Hogwarts week is coming up. So we're gonna do a whole big Hogwarts week party event for up to September 1st and then the week of September 1st. So it's like a 2-week thing. So I gotta get out these guys to put on our shelf out there, on our just little display bookcase, so that they could be ready for Hogwarts week. Came over here to see if this is open. It's not looking like it's open.
It says on the website the 20th.
Yeah, but everything is crossed off and there's literally nothing in the building. I can see in the building, dude.
Well, so
I don't know. One of the things online said it wasn't coming till September.
it said 8/20.
Okay.
That is
Today.
today.
Okay, well.
God damn it.
Somebody's a wolferee. Are you a referee? Look at you. Let's see the back. Sit. Sit. Good boy, do you like it? I did a little haul and got a few things at the dollar store for some craft projects that I thought would be kind of fun to do for some Halloween videos. So this is just kind of a preview. They have these really cute like little student planners. I thought these were really cute, so I picked one of those up and another notebook, because you never know when you need another notebook. Okay guys, so this is the Halloween stuff that I got on our trip. Only one of these is from Target. Andrew is literally cooking in the kitchen like for the first time, and it's just in the way.
I make the steaks.
He's in the way of all my videos. He couldn't find the pan. No.
Hi internet.
Today's video is going to be part 1 of our gardening adventure, recreating and remaking the backyard or deck to be a beautiful zen garden space with lots of natural plants and an ultimate fairy garden. But today is step 1, which means we are going to make a bird bath, and I'm really excited. I've really wanted to do this for a long time. I hope the birds will actually use it. So I only need 2 things, and I'm going to make myself a little bird bath using only things from the dollar store. Okay, all you need is a terrarium planter, and wire.